श्रीनगर में हो रही तीसरी G20 टूरिज्म वर्किंग ग्रुप की मीटिंग में ثقافت और सयाहत के मरकजी वजीर जी किशन रेड्डी ने भी खिताब किया। किशन रेड्डी ने इस मौके पर ग्रीन टूरिज्म को फरोग देने पर जोर दिया।
I would like to begin by highlighting the significance of progress made by the tourism working group in last two meetings. All 5 priorities of the tourism working group are green tourism, digitalization, skills, tourism MSMEs, and destination management have been completely endorsed by G20 member countries. We are moving closer to finalizing the outcome document for the G20 ministerial meeting to be held at the Goa headquarters. Friends, the Goa roadmap for tourism will act as a vehicle for achieving the sustainable development goals and minister's declaration. In the previous working group meetings, I was happy to see that all participants unanimously adopted green tourism to be the most important priority along with the other priority areas. I am also glad to know that the UNEP made a presentation on Travel for Life, which is based on the Mission Life program by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Friends, the Ministry of Tourism Government of India is committed to working with all the G20 member countries, invited countries, and all the international organizations to promote sustainable practices that benefit both people and the planet. Spiritual destination and heritage locations also we should encourage. Busiest month, friends, the tourism working group meetings gives me confidence in the positive and meaningful direction that the working group is taking. The ideas will aid in developing tourism in mission mode in the globe. The summit will witness the going through agenda of the third tourism working group meetings. I am happy to see that the tourism working group is progressing in the right direction. I am sure that the joint efforts of all the G20 members, invitee countries, international organizations will result in the achievement of inclusive and action-oriented decisive guidelines for the tourism industry. I wish you enjoy your stay and return to India over and over again with the family and friends and citizens of your respected countries. I am confident that across the country, in India, wherever you go, Indians are treating you, greeting you like their own family. Friends, we will, for coming 2 days, we will discuss with positively and with respectively and the contribution with good ideas, best ideas, and for upcoming tourism activities in globe. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Jai Hind.